Hello everyone, Nate Kopic here with Paul Sherry in Piqua, Ohio. Today we're looking at a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT, stock number CP15814T. This one is granite in color. Got the fog lights down here in the front bumper. Take a look at the tires here. Tires look to be about, 50%. Got a nice two-tone 17-inch wheel here. It's black and polished aluminum. Really sets that granite off nice. Take a look on the inside here. Does have power locks. Power mirrors, windows, and locks. Also power rear windows. Red stitching. We got the power seats with lumbar control. These are power premium leather seats with red stitching in the seats as well. Does have heated steering wheel and heated seats. I know I just said seats like a million times. We got power sliding doors. I hit this button here. Very convenient feature to have if you have children. The back hatch is power as well. I'm going to hit that now. And leave that open until we come back around to it. A couple center console options here. Place to put your money. Two 12-volt charging outlets down here. A little storage container. Got your climate controls. This is where you power your heated steering wheel and heated seats. We've got the Bluetooth radio that's Sirius satellite capable, and it's touchscreen. Cruise control options, gauge cluster options with hands-free options as well. We've got options on the back of the steering wheel, buttons here, sorry, for presets and volume control. Another way to do the power option is you barely pop it. It just goes into action. These back seats do fold into the floor. Does have the stow and go seating. This front seat might be a little too far forward. Premium leather here in the rear. We do have the climate control in the rear as well. As well as these cubbies. If you got children, you can always put things up top here. Makes it really nice. Now this part here, these seats do fold into the floor flat. I want to show you about the rear. Rear is pretty simple. You do 1, 2, 3 unlocks. Whoops. 3's supposed to unlock. About enough room for a piece of plywood, so you got plenty of room in here. Power rear hatch. Button that closes the power rear hatch. Overall, looks to be in excellent condition. Don't see any major dents, dings, or scratches. Again, this is a 2017 Dodge Grand Caravan GT. Stock number CP15814T. I'm Nathan Kopic. Stop in and see me today. Or give me a call at 937-778-0830. Also, make sure to visit our website, sherrychrysler.com.